People who really know me, know me from like a long time and thing, know that I really like potato salad. Potato salad is one of my favorite dishes of all time. So much so that I think if you had asked me what my last meal would be, it would include potato salad and pigeon peas. And anything else, well, that is just gravy. So today I'm gonna show you how I just make my potato salad. Now sometimes, depending on my mood, I might use like tinned peas and carrots and that kind of thing. But nah, today I ain't doing that. Today I'm gonna show you, like if I'm gonna make a potato salad to impress, this is how I just make my potato salad. And that is not to say that we're gonna use a whole set of different ingredients. You know how I just cook. I'm just gonna use a little bit of the right ingredients to give you a real nice potato salad. So without further ado, let me jump into it one time. So to prepare my potatoes for boiling, I like to take a knife and just stick it like this, and just make an incision going right through to the other side, and to me that just helps it cook faster. I don't know if it's actually true, but I'm doing this for umpteen years. So one of these days, I'll see if that's a myth or not, but not today. And sometimes when I'm making potato salad, I will leave the skin on. I might just scrub it and then leave the skin on and do it rustic, but I'm not doing that today. I will be peeling off the skin. All right, so I have my water at a rolling boil here. Just wanna season it with some salt. And now I wanna carefully place our potatoes into the boiling water. And I also place in 1 carrot into the boiling water as well. So you're gonna let this cook for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the potatoes and the carrots are fork tender. So for our potato salad, I'm also adding some sweet pepper. I really like how sweet pepper does taste in a potato salad. Fresh sweet pepper. I find like fresh sweet pepper just add a kind of brightness to the dish. So yeah, I like to use sweet pepper in mine. So I don't really like too much chunky textures in my potato salad. So you wouldn't find me making any big cuts of the other ingredients here. I will do like fine dices. So as you would see here, I'm doing a fine dice on the sweet pepper because again, for me, a good potato salad is all about having the right textures as well as the right flavors. I'm also cutting up 2 celery stalks. And this will add even more brightness and freshness to our potato salad. So yeah, adding celery for me, celery stalks and the leaves as well, add a nice freshness to the dish. That is a very nice contrast to the rich creaminess of a potato salad. And the last fresh ingredient that I like to use in my potato salad is onion. Again, going for that fine dice. You don't want huge pieces of onion in our potato salad. All right, so now for our mayo base for our potato salad. And this is going to bring everything together. I'll go in with about 3/4 cups of mayo, a tablespoon of mustard, and another ingredient that I love to add to my potato salad is balsamic vinegar. So I'm going in with a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, half a teaspoon of honey, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. And if you don't have honey, you could certainly substitute it with sugar, and that sweetness is going to balance off the tartness or the tanginess of the mustard and the balsamic vinegar. All right, so we're perfect here. So all we need to do now is wait for our potatoes and the carrot to finish boiling and finish cooking, and we'll move on with building this potato salad. So we are at the half-hour mark, and one thing I forgot to mention is that carrots tend to cook faster than potatoes. So our carrot is finished. So we're gonna take this out, but our potatoes still need some more time, probably another 15 minutes or so. So I'll remove the carrot and I'll let the potatoes finish cooking. I would say about 15 minutes more. So in total, about 45 minutes it would take for the potatoes to cook properly. So our potatoes are done cooking and I have them cooling before I could handle them. So in the meantime, I'm going to prep the carrot for our potato salad. So I just want to scrape the skin off using a knife. Just want to peel that off. Now I just want to cut this up. So again, because everything is about having the right textures, balance of textures, we want to go with some nice cubes on the carrot. Not too small and not too big. Now I just want to peel the skin off the potatoes. I'll let them cool down a bit, but they're still a little hot. So just using this cloth here so that I don't burn my hands. Alright, so we have our potato nice and cooled here. So to it, I'm going to add our carrots, add in the celery, onion, and sweet pepper. And now add in our combo of mayo, mustard, balsamic vinegar, and honey. And now with a wooden spoon, you want to give this a light toss. Now remember, this is potato salad and not mashed potato. So we don't want the potato to mash up. We want the chunks to remain as intact as possible. So yeah, be gentle with it. And boom, that is it there, you know, potato salad done. And let me tell you, to be quite honest, for something that I love so much, it has been a couple years well since I have made a potato salad. So I'm real excited to try this. So I ain't sticking no more, enough talking, time to dig in. Because I'm not a psychopath and I'm not gonna eat a bowl of potato salad by itself, I add a little bit of callaloo, some stewed chicken, and some potato salad. Well, gravy here. Go in and take a taste of this potato salad. So you're getting that rich flavor from the balsamic vinegar that combined with the rich creaminess of the mayonnaise, tanginess from the mustard, and of course all that rounded off with the sweetness from the honey, and then fresh flavors cutting through from the celery, the sweet pepper, and the onions. Yeah. This potato salad, I mean, as I say, it's been a while since I make it, but it was worth the wait. I may enjoy some with the stewed chicken and the callaloo. Sunday lunch right here, you know. Sunday lunch vibes right here. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. If you do try it, post your photos to social media and tag us. We'd love to see it. And of course, I will post a link to the full recipe on the website in the video description. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mm-hmm.